Have you ever felt like there's something holding you back? Something standing between you and your dreams? It feels like you're stuck in a loop that keeps repeating, doesn't it? And for so many people, that loop revolves around porn. It might seem like a small thing at first, perhaps a temporary escape or a way to avoid stress, but over time, it becomes a habit that starts controlling every part of your life. Maybe you've tried to break free before, but old patterns always seem to pull you back. If you've ever felt like you were close to making a change but still couldn't move forward, remember, you're not alone. Today is the day you'll end this cycle. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful path that will not only set you free, but also bring a new light into your life. It's real, it's possible, and you can do it. All you need is to believe in yourself and take that first step. Now imagine this. You wake up early, full of energy, purpose, and drive for the day ahead. Your mind is clear, your goals are clear, and a new passion for life is awakened inside you. You're free from the moments that once made you feel weak and helpless. You've become the person who breaks through obstacles, who creates their own destiny. Every day is a new step that brings you closer to success. You've transformed into the best version of yourself, and it feels incredible. It's all possible, and you can make it happen. Before we move forward, it's important to understand how this small issue took over your life. Why can the addiction to porn be so powerful, and why do so many people struggle with it? The answer lies in our brain's reward system. When we watch porn, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone, which gives us instant pleasure and relief. But as this becomes a habit, your brain craves more dopamine, and it starts to revolve around this activity. As you get more caught up in it, your brain begins to believe that this is the only way to find comfort and happiness. But here's the good news. The brain is flexible. You have the power to undo these effects. You have the strength to break these habits and create a new life for yourself. It's possible, and it's in your hands. The decision is yours, and that decision can change your life forever. The first step is recognizing the power of choice. Many people think they're trapped in a weakness that's impossible to overcome. They believe their emotions and desires control them, but the truth is, every moment you have the power to choose. You can decide how you'll react in every situation. This is the moment when your inner strength awakens. As soon as you acknowledge those desires, you've already won half the battle. The choice is yours. Will you continue letting this habit control you, or will you break free and give yourself a new path? Making this decision unlocks your freedom, and remember, this could be the most important decision of your life. The second step is replacing old habits with new, positive ones. If you've allowed porn to take over your mind and life, simply quitting won't be enough. You need to fill that space with better habits. This change won't happen overnight, but small steps every day will teach you new habits that will strengthen your mind and spirit. This means starting your mornings with exercise or a positive activity, dedicating time to learning a new skill, or keeping your mind busy with something productive. Whatever works best for you, fill your mind with activities that bring peace and success. This process of change will transform you into a new person. Each small step will be a victory, and this will mark the beginning of reshaping your future. The third step is creating accountability. Your journey should not be a solitary one. Get help from someone who supports you, understands your goals, and encourages you every step of the way. A friend, a group, or a mentor who's there to walk alongside you can make all the difference. Knowing someone is watching can drive you to work harder. This support system will encourage you, laugh with you, and pick you up when things get tough. Remember, accountability isn't just about punishment, it's about support, love, and walking the path of growth together. The fourth and most crucial step is practicing self-compassion. On this journey, you'll need to learn to be kind to yourself. We're all human, and sometimes we make mistakes. But when you stumble, don't punish yourself. Love yourself. You have the power to rise again and try once more. Remember, the greatest success is in rising again when you've fallen. Forgive yourself, love yourself, and get back up to take the next step forward. When you learn from your mistakes and keep moving ahead, you conquer the biggest challenges in your life. The final step is building a bright vision for your life. When you have a clear purpose, you're ready to take on everyday struggle with renewed energy and determination. How do you want to see your life? What will your successful free life look like? Keep your future vision in mind and take a strong step today. Your vision will give you the strength you need to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, your journey won't be completed in a day, but each step brings you closer to your goal. You have the strength to turn your dreams into reality, and it all starts with the decision to take action today. Are you ready? The time has come.